For this video, we're going to take a look at downloading our SAM project to work on. This is something that you do with inside of SAM, and you should be logged into SAM as well. When you come into SAM, you see your links here in the main body of the screen. My left side navigation bar probably looks a little bit different than you, but the one thing we both see is SAM assignments. I'm going to go ahead and click on SAM assignments, and it wouldn't matter if I click on SAM assignments here on the left or here in the center. It takes me to the same place. I'm going to do one thing that's going to be a little bit different than yours, and that's because I see multiple sections. I'm going to select a section so I don't have so many assignments. Okay. This is what you see for your assignment list. Okay, we see that we have exams, projects. I'm going to go ahead and click on the number 2 to get to the second page, and I have more projects here. If I click on the number 5, I'm going to see that I have training. Trainings are optional, but trainings will definitely help you improve your scores on your assignments and exams. Okay, to take a look at downloading the start file for our project, I'm going to go ahead and click on the second page. Actually, it's on the first page. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first page, number 1, and you're going to see something that says 6.2 Word Unit A Project. Okay, I'm just using this as an example. I'm going to go ahead and click on Word Unit A Project. This is the screen that comes up. It's telling me I have 3 submissions allowed and I haven't done any submissions yet. I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, I want to proceed. Next, I'm going to come to a screen that looks like this. And there are instructions on how I'm going to complete the assignment, and then there's also a start file. First thing I'll do is go ahead and download the instructions. Click on Download File, and then you can open it or save it, whichever you prefer. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. I'm going to go ahead and say Allow right here. I'm going to check the box so I don't get this warning every time. And once the file downloads, you can decide if you are somebody who can read it from the screen or somebody who needs to go ahead and print. The next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and go back to my Internet Explorer window and go to the start file. The start file is always going to start with IL, and at the end of it you will see your name, and then it will say a 1.docx. Whatever program application you're using, software application you're using. So go ahead and click on the link, and then I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay. So one thing that I want to point out to you with this, if I scroll down to the bottom, it tells me this file was created for me, and then there's this number. This number is your social security number for SAM, okay? If I try to give this assignment to somebody else, my social security number is attached to it, and I'm going to get in trouble for sharing my work. Okay, so there's your heads up on cheating. Here, when you go back to your instruction window, you're going to see in step-by-step way to name your file. Okay, it tells you to open it and then save it as. Okay, so here I'm looking and it's going to tell me _2. Okay, so all I need to do here is come back to my start file, go to File, Save As, and I'm going to save to my flash drive. Okay, so make sure you have your flash drive in. I'm going to click on Computer, and then mine is actually removable disk X. I'm going to double click that, and then you'll decide where you want to save it. Go ahead and put it in my TCSG document. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete everything behind the underscore behind my name, and I'm just going to put a 2. Okay? File extension will automatically be re-added back. If you type it in here, you may have an issue when you go to upload. Just go ahead and delete everything to the right of the underscore and type in the number 2. Go ahead and click on Save. And now you're ready to begin working. The next video you can check out will be on how to submit your SAM assignment.